Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of feeling glued to your chair all day? Do you want to get moving but think you need a fancy gym or expensive equipment? Well, I've got some great news for you. Today, we're going to turn your home into your very own personal gym, using things you already have lying around. No excuses, just results. Let's get started on this journey to a healthier, more active you, right from the comfort of your living room. First up, let's grab a sturdy chair. Not for sitting though. We're going to use it for chair squats. Stand in front of the chair with your feet shoulder width apart. Now, slowly lower your hips back and down as if you're about to sit. Just letting your bottom lightly tap the seat before you stand back up. Keep your chest up and your core tight. This is a fantastic and safe way to build strength in your legs and glutes, especially if you're just starting out. Let's aim for 3 sets of 12 repetitions. You'll feel that gentle burn, which means it's working. Next, find a couple of water bottles or soup cans. These are your new dumbbells. We'll start with some bicep curls. Hold one in each hand, palms facing forward, keeping your elbows tucked in at your sides. Curl the weights up towards your shoulders, squeezing your biceps at the top. Then, lower them back down with control. Don't rush it. The slow, controlled movement is what builds muscle. After that, we can do some overhead presses. Lift the bottles to shoulder height, then press them straight up overhead until your arms are fully extended. These simple moves are perfect for toning your arms and shoulders. Try for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each exercise. Now, let's get that heart rate up with a little cardio, and all you need is a bit of floor space. We're going to do some modified jumping jacks. If jumping is too much for you right now, no problem. Just step 1 foot out to the side while raising the same side arm. Then return to the center and switch sides. It's a great low-impact alternative that still gets your blood pumping. And for our core, let's hit the floor for some dead bug exercises. Lie on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle over your hips. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor. Then bring them back up and switch sides. This move is amazing for building deep core stability without straining your back. Let us talk about one of the most versatile pieces of home equipment you own, a wall. Find a clear wall space and let's do some wall sits. Slide your back down the wall until your knees are at a 90-degree angle, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. All the tire feel the burn in your quads. That strength being built. Start by holding for 20 to 30 seconds and work your way up as you get stronger. You can also use the wall for a push. Stand facing the wall. Place your hands on it slightly wider than your shoulders and perform a push-up. The further your feet are from the wall, the more challenging it becomes. This is a brilliant way to build upper body strength before you're ready for floor push-ups. See, you don't need anything fancy to start your fitness journey. You have a fully equipped gym right in your home. The most important thing is to be consistent. Try to incorporate these exercises into your routine 3 to 4 times a week. Start slow, listen to your body, and celebrate the small victories. You've taken the first and most important step just by showing up today. Remember, every little bit of movement counts, and you are capable of amazing things. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope you're feeling energized and proud of yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple, effective home workouts, please give it a thumbs up. And do you and forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Leave a comment below and let me know which household item you're going to use for your next workout. Stay active, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.